Alrighty, so we are at school right now, but we still got this trade going. Um, Market opens in like a minute and a half. We're really gonna be looking for shorts today, but I'll be open to taking longs. Ideally, we want to see this low get ran through. That's what I'm looking for. I want to see this high get swept out, and then on ES, I want to see these stacked highs get swept out. Once those get swept out, I think we'll come down here and take these out. On the higher time frame, we got a big move up during Asia, and then after London session, we got another big move up. So I think we'll see a little bit of a retracement, but I am open to the fact that we did get our retracement at the end of London, because this move after London did come and sweep out London low, retraced, and then give us a push higher. So if we do want to push higher, we're gonna take out this low first, and then we'll trade higher to these targets, and then we'll handle that accordingly. So right now we're basically just waiting to see which one of these, either the 8 a.m. high or the 8 a.m. low gets hit first, and then we'll see if we get buying or selling out of that. So that's what we're looking for. Futures, crypto yesterday sold off, so I put some more money into it, and I bought down here at 149 yesterday. That moved our average cost down to 181. So we're still down on the position, but we're up on yesterday's position. So we're making back the losses from the past like 2 days. XRP did a good job of holding value. I did buy more, which brought it down from 254 to 239. So we're still down on this, but again, we're up on yesterday's position. I bought it around, I think it was 215. I bought it around. And then Ethereum, this is a new one. I wasn't invested in this one at first, so I bought this yesterday. Obviously, I'm up on that position. So this is kind of carrying our portfolio. Bitcoin, I did buy a little bit of. I didn't want to put much in there just because it's not going to move too much, but it brought our average cost down a tiny bit. Back to futures. Looks like we're going to hit that 8 a.m. high first. Also, we do have PMI at 10 o'clock. We got PMI at 10 o'clock. We didn't employment change come out at 8:15. So that would have been this candle right here. So it did do jack for us. Actually, I take that back. It looks like we're gonna hit that 8 a.m. low first. Crack open this energy drink. We got sparkling mandarin marshmallow today. I swear I thought I grabbed fruit punch. Oops. We don't know where we want to go. The only really thing that's telling me bullish is these equal highs. These equal highs right here. But other than that, nothing's really telling me bullish. So if we can run out these highs real quick, then we can really start dropping. Doesn't look like that's what we're gonna get though. Bitcoin yesterday went underneath 100,000. That's why I really wanted to buy everything up. Solana I bought around 150. So that's still doing good. We're at 157. Like I said, I bought XRP like 215 and Ethereum was like 3,200. So from yesterday, we're up pretty good. Not too bad. I guess. So about 800 shit my little bit up 7 souls. Okay, so we swept out these lows. And we're staying above them. Okay, that could be interesting. We get S&T off of this. This will be like what we saw yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Or we failed to take out a low, but we still take out sell side. That's still good. We shall see. That's what we're looking for. Just gotta wait these 2.5 minutes. See if this SMT forms. If it does, you guys know what we're gonna be looking for. We're gonna be looking for retracement. Scale down to 1 minute. Look for structure to be bearish. And then wait for structure to break bullish. Also, no. Pray to God I can leave this shit. Shit like, bro. to make. There we go. So SMT is put in play. We need some more structure in here, really. It's not enough for us to go down to the 1 minute. Holy shit. The only reason I don't like this is for us to break 1 minute structure down, so we gotta go below the 79%. And obviously, that's not ideal, but that's what we're gonna do. It looks like. So we got this 5 minute gap that we kind of retraced into. 1 minute structure dip. Hold on. Get into some longs here. Please show me my positions, please. Thank you. So off the jump, not looking hot. The Wi-Fi here, dog shit. Oh my god. Okay, so that happened pretty quick, but we'll go through this. So this up close candle here, this solidified the SMT. We got a bullish SMT here, pointing towards this high, which is also on the high time frame. I already went over that. That's our target. Then this candle is our 5 minute retracement, retraced almost down back into this fair value gap. Showed that we didn't want to go back into it, but more importantly, we went below this 50% level. So we scale down to the 1 minute. What do we see? 1 minute structure is broken by this candle closing below here. What happens on the next candle? Violate this fair value gap. We enter longs. And it's playing out. Okay. Now you can move this up here just to 1. Now we're on break even. And I think we'll move it again once we get to this high. We'll move it up here. I'm just gonna start marking out these 5 minute highs and then we'll trail it as we get up there. This is moving very nice. A little worried. This candle scared me a little bit. Let me check the P&L. Damn. Realized P&L today is $60.51 so far. Right now we're up $127.78. Woo. Oh, I do want to stay in this until the 10 a.m. news. I don't want to trail it too hard in case that 10 a.m. news pushes us way higher. So I think I'm just gonna secure an extra little $5. A little extra $5. And then we're gonna move stop once we get to here, once we get to here, once we get to here, once we get to here. And we got time today. We got time today. Oh, this is my higher, huh? What the fuck is going on with this? 150 stop? Hmm? How did that happen? Hmm? What is that? Hit a 6 point stop. God damn. And then the final TP will be right here. So if this hits, that's a 1 to 9. That's fucking crazy. I don't think that'll hit everything, but you're approaching the new TP. I'm gonna set alerts at each one of these levels so I don't miss it. And we're gonna make. Yeah, no, we can't do that because we got the fucking alert there. But y'all get the point. I low-key gotta go to the bathroom now. So let's just let this be. I'll be right back. No, you can't sign me. You are never the one. Reach. I think we're gonna move it here. I don't want to move it too tight because we might see some volatility come from this news event. But we are below this fair value gap here, so if we go below it, we're probably gonna take out our stop. But dang, dang, they look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Yeah, we're gonna move this bitch up a little bit. See, now I'm getting nutty with my stop loss. I'm putting this bitch under here. Whatever. Whatever. If it gets hit, it gets hit. I just hope this 10 a.m. news is on my side. So my fake lied to me straight up to my face. Alright, we got this fair value gap. I'm moving my stop. Right there, that's a confirmed 1 to 2 at least. 1 to 2 are at least. Because if we get stopped out, then we took both of our positions off here. That's 1 to 2. That's easy. Even though this shit still keeps getting fucked up. I don't know why it keeps doing this. Yeah, I don't have 150. Whatever. Just let it be. Underlay, rebar. There's our next alert. Move this up a little bit more. What am I saying in the cook? I know what got she moved. I'm basically saying I'm cooler. Yeah. Back in the 6th grade, I got them bad grades. I was alone tutor. Damn. This could be my biggest trading day. So say you want strip. Yeah. And I am losing 30 seconds. Please be bullish. Three, two, one. Oh, let's stop this out. But $154 for the day. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. We're up on the week now. I'm happy. We took a big loss on Monday because my risk is just, I got to figure that out. My risk on NQ is a lot larger than my risk on ES for some reason. So that's a fault in my risk plan, but we were able to capture a good move today. Can you just like delete? We were able to catch a good move today. $154 puts us back above 2 grand, which is good. Up. Let me check what we're up for the week because we lost 120 on Monday, and then yeah, I don't think I posted anything for that. We're up 34.14 for the week. Yeah, so we took a loss on Monday. We took $122.96 loss on Monday, won $58.02 yesterday, and won $154.54 today, which puts us up $89.60 for the month of November. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that, especially coming off October and September. Yikes. October was good. I just made October. We finished the month down $252, which is just under. It's just over 8%, I believe. Um, but it really just came down to a couple stupid trades where my risk is messed up on NQ. Yeah, it was literally 4 losing days. In 4 losing days, I lost $106, $121, $135, and $122. Or no, the $122 was Monday. So it was 3 big losing days. But I went 50% on my win percentage. So I just gotta figure out the risk. The risk is the issue at that point. This month everything's looking good, which I'm happy with. Okay, well, I'm gonna withdraw some money and get a haircut. And then I'm about to do some homework and get to class.